Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. And this time I was able to find a fragrance 27 years in the making. I was able to find this one in Burlington for $34.99. This is 125 ml, so I felt like that was a good deal. Scent I'm talking about is Perfume Spot Fresh from Ralph Lauren. If this is your first time finding my channel, my name is Gerard, and on this channel, we talk about all things fragrance. We do videos like I'm doing today, which is essentially I go into TJ Maxx, Burlington, Marshalls, and I try to find good deals on men's fragrances and women's fragrances as well. So if that is content that you think you want to see more, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notifications so you are updated whenever I upload something new. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I am totally appreciative of that. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, as I usually do, I'll try this on strip, see what I pick up from it, put it on skin, let you know how it changes, and ultimately let you guys know if this one is any good and worth your 35 bucks. So let's get into it. So guys, I wasn't kidding when I said that this scent was 27 years in the making. I used to wear the OG Polo Sport. I actually have a bottle of it in my collection. That was my go-to fragrance in the mid to sort of late 90s, and would just spray that thing heavy. We go to the mall on a Friday night. I'd be wearing my Tommy Hilfiger logo sweatshirt or my Nautica windbreaker and spray heavy Polo Sport all over myself. And back then, that thing was beastly. It's sort of a shadow of itself in terms of performance now, but this one I'm curious about because I know that you guys have talked about this. You've mentioned it in my comments, my weekly wears videos. This is one that I see pop up from time to time. You guys really seem to like this one, so I was excited to try it. I like the bottle. I like the presentation overall. I like how they just sort of inverted the colors from the OG to this new flanker. And the bottle is white now as opposed to a blue bottle. So that's cool. And still super cheap plastic cap. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Nice atomizer. Let's get this on strip. And in there, it is super fresh. Familiar smellings. Reminds me of other things. Fruity, fresh, airy, a little bit aquatic. Yeah, I mean, they're doing what is typical, really, as of late, or just in the last, a while now, I guess, 5 or 6 years. Just the take on freshness, that fruity, aquatic sweetness. It's a little bit aromatic. It has some maybe slight herbalness to it. Maybe like a sage or something in here. So it's adding to that freshness and adding a little bit of greenness. But the aquatic nature of this is really nice. Really nice. And it's really smells of pretty good quality off of the strip. One thing I will say about the OG Polo Sport, at least the newer formulations, is I do get a lot of syntheticness to it, but I still like that scent. As I said, it's such a big part of my sort of teenage years and growing up. So yeah, this is really nice. It's going to be, in the ballpark of like an Invictus Aqua, which, look, that scent is overdone. There's no question that DNA is overdone, but it's still pleasant. It's still really sort of mass appealing. People are going to like it on you. You're going to like it fresh and clean. So yeah, I'd be really curious to get this on skin, see how it changes. But I like it. It's really fresh, so the name is applicable here. And I don't have a scent of the day, so I will be wearing this today as my scent of the day. So let's see what this does on skin. Okay, so on skin it changes. It's a little bit more aldehydic to my nose. It's definitely got that, it still retains that fruitiness, but it's a little less so off of my skin. There's something really pungent in here. It's a citrus, or it's something that is really at the forefront of the scent. There's some smooth woods in here. This is actually really nice off of skin. It's a little different. It's like uber fresh. It's like super fresh. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly. It has a little bit of a laundry smell to it. I want to take a look at the notes and see what's in here and yeah, let you know my overall thoughts. So the notes for Polo Sport Fresh from Ralph Lauren: C notes, mint, woodsy notes, mandarin orange, sage, and iris. Yeah, so I pretty much, got most of those, sort of the note breakdown just on first sniff. I was picking up that herbalness from the mint and the sage, the watery notes, the marine notes. I think the marine notes, though, are what's standing out here. This is a little bit of a salty fragrance. It's getting a little bit greener on me, almost like a deeper aquatic scent. So some of that freshness is tapering off. Where it opens super fresh, it's starting to change a bit and reminding me of other things and less like Invictus Aqua. So it is changing there. Not really picking up the iris, but that is an interesting note. It may change more as I wear this. As I said, I'm going to wear this today and let you guys know in my weekly wears video, which drops every single Monday, where I go over my rotation and what I wore that week. I will sort of describe this in a little more detail, especially from a performance standpoint, let you know how it performed on my skin. My first impressions of it, there are things that smell similar to this that I think do it much better. But I don't think it's a bad fragrance for $34.99. It's nothing that I would feel compelled to add to the collection. This is going to work in the summertime. It's going to work in the cooler months. It's just sort of that sort of old standby fresh scent that any guy can pull off. It's a little unassuming. You're probably not going to get a ton of attention for this. Great gym scent, again, especially for the price, and that it doesn't seem to project like crazy. You're not going to offend anyone around you. So it's going to be great for the office and things like that. Not bad overall. Polo Sport Fresh from Ralph Lauren. That's all I have today, guys. As always, let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are on Polo Sport Fresh from Ralph Lauren. Love to know what you guys think of this one. Is it one that is a must add to the collection or just an easy pass? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.